Hello, everybody. This is a Lamley preview, part 1 of 2. I have got all 4 of the Hot Wheels San Diego Comic-Con exclusives that are being released today at the event, released tomorrow at Mattel Creations, so you, the viewer at home, can have a chance to purchase these. I'm going to showcase them for you, like I said, in 2 parts, starting with this Mario Kart Peach exclusive and the Ghost Rider motorcycle. And then I have the other 2 still wrapped in their paper, in their tissue paper, the Mandalorian exclusive, and then this Knight Rider, which I cannot wait to open with the moving light. That will be part 2, released later today. Like I said, it's San Diego Comic-Con starting today. These are available to attendees at the Mattel and Hot Wheels display at the event, and then tomorrow at Mattel Creations online. I have no idea how money they've made. Maybe there's a number here or not. I don't know. And I don't know how quick they're going to go, but I would assume they're going to go. These are always super popular, so let's get right to it. I actually filmed this video already, so you'll see that I cut these open, and the glare was so bad I looked at the video and I was like, I got to redo this. But Mattel did send these to me to showcase for you, so I want to make sure you know that. And they did come sealed, but you can see I already cut it open. But when I film outside, sometimes the sun is a little strong. I also couldn't get the tissue paper back in. But let's first look at the packaging. Obviously, for you Mario Kart fans, here's the extent of my Mario Kart fandom. I played it with my daughters. So this is Pink Gold Peach, an exclusive, very display. It's a display kind of thing. It's not really I mean, I guess some people might want to open up and play with it, but when you have a look at this thing, and like I said, I'm filming outside, so the glare might be a little strong, but it was super strong on the last video I did. But here you go. This is super, super cool. Pink Gold Peach is the character with her standard cart. I don't know if that's the name of the cart or if it's just the standard cart. It comes in this box. You can read that. It's a special edition. It very much has this display feel to it. I just don't know who's going to open it, and I'm not going to be one of them. Maybe I would if this was something I absolutely collected. Maybe I would, but I'm just not gonna. But I am going to show this off to you guys. Maybe what I'll do is I'll go inside and I'll put this on the turntable so I can give it a little bit more. You can get a better look at it, and if there's any other details as I kind of check it out, you can see how that will go. But because of this plastic, it's very hard to show off. But if you go real close up, you can see how cool this is. It just has the Hot Wheels wheels on it. It is definitely the standard cart casting. I think they've done several of them, but obviously done in this very special gold peach display. All right, let's get this back in. You Mario Kart fans will give me a better idea, right, of what that's about. Let's move the tissue paper over here, and let's check out Ghost Rider. Same thing. Open it up, realize the glare was terrible, but here is the box. Ghost Rider with vehicle, Marvel Hot Wheels. You can see that's pretty much all it is. There's a bunch of mumbo jumbo on the bottom. I don't know how these are done. Like when collectors, do they display them? Do they like to have them sealed? These are collector items for sure. But this is kind of a realm. This is kind of unknown for me, right? So here's this piece. But check this thing out, too. We'll start with the information on the back. I had to read this, so I kind of knew what I was looking at. Like I said, I'm not a big comic book guy. I know that their Ghost Rider movies came out, but this was obviously a character that was introduced in the comics. In 1972, motorcycle stunt driver Johnny Blaze became faithfully bonded with a demon named Zorothus. I think I said that right. So I believe what this is the original cover, right? The comic book cover. August 5th, Marvel Spotlight, Ghost Rider. Is he alive or dead? A legend is born. And the glare is crazy as again. Now, I tried to open this thing, and it just seems like I would want to take this out and put it on the turntable, but I haven't figured out. And maybe I can. You obviously do that, and if I can open it, I'll put it on the turntable that way. But I'm going to put it on the turntable so you can kind of get a sense of how this package is going. But it seems to me that this is not a model that you open, because it's just you've got this fantastic 3D look. You've got the model in there, but why would you open this thing? Why would you display it in any other way with this incredibly cool kind of vintage look of the Ghost Rider figure on top of the motorcycle, in the comic book cover, shooting out of it? My job is to open these things, but what are you just going to do with this? You just can't. It's just way too cool. Those are the first two, Ghost Rider and our friend Pink Gold Peach. You guys tell me what you think of these. That's part one. Part two, a little bit later today. I want to know, are you guys going to get these? This is not a Lamley thing totally, right? Lamley, we're more about the actual cars. We like the licensed stuff. The character cars are not really our thing. It's going to get a little bit, I think, more down our alley with part two, but I definitely wanted to show these off first. You guys tell me what you think. You going to try and get them? Let me know. Bye.